G'day guys, Matty from Fourbie Sessions Australia. Up here again. It's going to be a bit different this time. We've been getting some massive flash flooding issues the past few days and we've nearly lost one of the dams. So, I'm going to bring you along, fix up the dam, and then we're going to check some of the depth of the river just for something to do the Savo. And going to do a bit more cleaning up around the place. So, come along for the ride. Yeah. Chucking this on the roof, no big deal. Perfect fit. Strap it on. So we're on our way up to the back dam. It's pretty wet, massive pipe on the roof, but we'll cruise up here and see if we can get it done before it all disappears. The bank is gone, so we've got a massive tree that's fallen down in here, and until I get my big digger I can't get rid of it. There's the base of it. It'll be nearly 2 meters round, huge. So I'm going to sink this pipe in to try and alleviate the issue. And hopefully the water will stay in here. That's the thing with jobs like these. It'll take me longer to walk the excavator there than what it does to do the job. I'll tell you what, it still beats doing it with the shovel. This is much easier. Plus, I'm in aircon. It's like 33 degrees up here. Humid as. It's supposed to be a massive storm again, the Savo. So, I'm not complaining being in aircon. The only downside is it'll probably take me an hour to get there. Anyway, we're on our way. This is my dad. This is who owns the property. He's letting me do all this fun stuff. Getting technical here. He wanted to check if it was level. He's doubting me. Just chuck it on the pipe for a sec. That's wrong. Ah, green. In the green.
Perfect.
Didn't trust me. Well, we take it. I can still see that's green. No, that's wrong. Green.
Okay.
See? Told you.
Okay. Good job.
Didn't need it, but didn't trust me. Anyway, throw this in. Nearly done. Not gonna lie, this is the part I like. It's up here by myself, just smashing out jobs. And like, seriously, what an office. This would be the best thing to do full time. Anyway, so we'll cut into this hill and make a bit of a road through here, because the pipe we thought was going to be big enough, but it's not. That's all right. I'm gonna chuck we've got some old tyres and stuff to chuck in the back here to try and keep it a bit more stable. Cut all that out. Just about done. Beautiful. Just about there now. Made the bank a bit wider. All I gotta do is blend the road in and we're done. Put up a bit of a berm here. Stop anyone going over the edge. Which is good. Build one all the way up around that corner, I think. Blend all that in and we're good. All done. Give this dam a bit of a clean up. That turned out alright for a mine operator. Pretty stoked with that actually. Perfect. Hopefully that saves the bank. We'll soon find out. Pretty sure there's a fair bit of rain coming in the Savo. Anyway, let's get off the mountain. Just beat that. Jesus. Time to get out of here. Gotta get the old boy's car down off the hill. This will be fun. Haven't driven a Navara in a while. Fancy. Oh, now it's getting slippery. Surprised, these BF Goodridges are going pretty good in this actually. It's got a set of KO2s under it. Pretty impressed. It's all clay. So it's going pretty good. This might be the only trouble spot right here. Huh? Nailed it. See what I mean? Look at the 1 second it's sunny as, next it's just been flogging down like this. Causing flash floods, it's crazy. But good times. I got the massive trek back. Pretty happy to be in an aircon cab and a sealed cab. And it's flogging down. So one of the things at the moment, we've all had to evacuate because we may not get home. The rivers are hooking. Like it has been flogging down rain. There is water everywhere. The river has risen something crazy. So hopefully we make it out of here. See what happens. Oh well, didn't really go to plan. But until next time, catch up with you soon.